How to clean refrigerator water? Sometimes our refrigerator has an unpleasant odor. Sometimes there is also a leaky refrigerator. Maybe one of the reasons is the water that has been stored in the refrigerator for a long time. The water can come from when we defrost the freezer or something else. So let's get started. The first step, let's first unplug the plug from the wall outlet to be safer. Then we turn the refrigerator to see the back side. Prepare a screwdriver to open the screw that locks the refrigerator water reservoir. Turn slowly to the left. Do it one by one. After all the screws are successfully opened, pull the water reservoir out, then take it to the bedroom or sink, or it can be outdoors. Prepare water, soap, fiber, or a brush to clean the water reservoir. The second step, prepare the coil or brush, soap and water. Dispose of the old water first, then clean it properly until it is clean so it doesn't smell bad.
The third step after cleaning, put it back on the back of the refrigerator and insert a screw into its proper hole and tighten it with a screwdriver. And then turning it right one by one. Turn the refrigerator forward as usual. And plug the outlet and plug the outlet into the outlet. And that's how to clean the refrigerator storage water so it doesn't smell and leak. That's all from us. Thank you.